They're on a quest, bring your dreams to life and craft the most epic entertainment experiences ever. Hard work, iteration and polish go into the Blizzard's secret recipe. But most of the important ingredients come from the talented people who share our vision. If it sounds like you, join us. Happy pets make happy humans, and Blizzard cultivates a pet-friendly work environment. If you play World of Warcraft, then you can do pet battles. And this is a bit like Pokemon. I didn't realise that you could verify your account through Nintendo. So Blizzard may be interested in making a Nintendo game. I would like to work so I just don't know how this epic dog thing is coming into it. Rena. Team consumer products for the Horde. My stepmother came over to Australia on a boat, and at Warcraft. My kids don't really want me playing Warcraft anymore. New mega dungeon. What does argumentation mean? I don't want to argue. Time rifts. New public events. Whelp daycare. Feel my dots. Hear this call. I don't know what to stall. If I drove a car, then I will stall. It's a warlock update. I've come up with this new boss, if you want to hear it. So far, this is what I've got. Alright, I'll read this. Yeah. Pardon? I'll turn my light on. Boss takes holy damage first phase. Melee must take down adds, whilst druids heal the raid. DK tank fight because they have a heal ability. The casters take the candle to the healers, then candle explodes to increase holy damage or melee damage. White candle for caster, and then I've just got a heart. Take no candle. Now we've got candle level. Take no candle. Warcraft. He should be staying the original Warcraft. Back before these damn. Let me see if I can change the quality. Back before those damn kobolds gave me a permanent limp, I used to be William Pessel's #1 candle supplier. Hell, I even come up with the line, I take candle. Yeah, that was me. Kobold would say, you take no candle. And I'll just respond, I take candle, and then bash their brains in. Jib drifts off for a second. Good times, the best times. Now we can't even use the bathroom without assistance. You want to help me? Kill me some kobolds. You'll find a good load of them in a nearby mine. Kill 12 kobold diggers. You'll receive 2,868 experience. Reputation with guild. Paranoid. I should go back to that guild and get play on the horde. Alright, I'm getting harassed where I've got to get off the phone now. I just wanted to make another short video.